Hello. In this video, we will see the alphabet B. This is B, U, B, Ba, B, B, Wow. So we'll see how we can write this. In the last video, we saw how to write C, Zu, Zi, Za, Ze, Zi, Zo. So in this video, we'll see of changing C, Zu, Zi, Za, Ze, Zi, Zo to B, U, B, Ba, Be, B, Bo. Okay. So I will simply add a feature, a line to Z, Zu, Zi, Za, Ze, Zi, Zo to make it Be, Bu, Bi, Ba, Be, Bu, Bo. So we simply do this. Z now reads Be, Zu, Bu, Zi, Bi, Za, Ba, Ze, Be, Zi, Bi, Zo, Bo. Same here, just add this line at the very top of Z, and that one will change it to Be. So this goes together with the previous video, so I want you to go and refer to the video on Z, Zu, Zi, Za, Ze, Zi, Zo. So after you practice, you write Be is written like Z, and then adding that Zu, Bu, Zi, Bi, Za, Ba, Ze, Be, Zi, Bi, Zo, and Bo. So this is B, this is Ba, this is Be, this is B, and this is Bo, Be, Bu, Bi, Ba, Be, B, Bo. All right, thank you guys. I will see you in the next video.